Hi. So now let us see very first chapter, that is entity relationship model. Okay. So this is going to give you the overall idea, some idea at least about our database actually. So what we are going to study in the further chapters. So first of all, it is going to give some idea actually. So that means some logical structure of the database, how it will be, you are going to understand. Okay. So first of all, what is entity relationship model actually? So entity is one word, relationship is another word actually. Both of them is different. So those two together we are going to understand in this chapter. Okay. So if you see the definition of the ER model, so describe the structure of database with the help of the diagrams, which is known as entity relationship diagram. So very simple understanding. So if you see here, so that is, here you can see it is a, it describes the structure of the database with the help of the diagram, simply you can say. So very simple manner. So that meaning is you are going to see logical structure actually. Logical structure of database. Okay. How and all we will see in the discussion. Then an ER model is a design of blueprint. So design or a blueprint of a database. That is nothing but logical structure, right? So that is what, before going to implement, so what you want to implement, first of all, for that, you must have a one blueprint, right? So it is like a blueprint of a house. You want to construct a house. Before constructing it physically, you must have the plan, a design, that is nothing but a blueprint. So that is what actually, even for the database also, you must have a blueprint before implementing it. So that is what we are going to study in this ER model. Okay. Then the main components are ER model are entity sets, relationship sets. That is what, as I told, entity is different word, relationship is a different word. So we are going to have some set of entities, some set of relationships. We will get the more clarity. This is just for namesake, I am giving the points here, but as we are discussing more, then we will understand this line, especially its meaning. Okay. Overall, in this chapter, what we are going to study, the main thing is ER model. Under ER model, the main three categories we are going to study. One is entity, another one is attribute, another one is relationship. Under the entity, we are going to see the regular entity or strong entity, like that we are going to see. And another one is weak entity. So this is nothing but strong entity also, you can say. So that weak entity we are going to have. And now under the attribute part, key attribute, then composite attribute, single valued attribute, multi-valued attributes, stored attributes, and derived attributes. So these are all very simple, as name implies, their meanings also going to be there. So we will understand in simple manner. Okay. And then we see the relationships, one to one, one to many to one, and many to many, all possible combinations with one and many. Okay. And along with this, we are going to see the partial participation and total participation. So that also, if you see, partial participation and total participation. So if you are able to understand all these concepts, then we are able to construct the diagrams actually. That is nothing but blueprint of a database we are going to construct actually basing on the requirement. Okay. So in the coming chapters, let us try to understand first of all these meanings. And at the end, we will try to construct a word for a simple databases, how to construct its blueprint with in the form of diagrams we are going to understand. Okay.